Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal. Stand before you with the topic Fundamental Rights for Disabled under Constitutional Provisions. It means what fundamental rights under Indian Constitution relate with disabled persons. It is found in plus 3 5th semester Ethics and Value paper, and the name of the paper is Vulnerable Section Society, Understanding Their Issues. But before I discuss constitutional provisions or fundamental rights relating to disabled persons under constitutional provision, I want to inform my viewers that the name of my channel is @Dilip Kumar Pal 9375. Never forget. In this channel, videos from plus 3 first semester to 6th semester political science, videos from plus 3 first semester to 5th semester ethics and values, videos from plus 3 first semester to 2nd semester political and general elective, videos of plus 3 first semester environmental studies, and some videos of plus 2 first year and plus 2 second year political science are available. Any topic you want, just write my name Dilip Kumar Pal and the name of the topic in Google or YouTube. You'll get videos both in English and Odia. Let us start. Fundamental rights for disabled under constitutional provisions. It means what are the fundamental rights for disabled under Indian constitutional provisions? Let us start. Disabled are those persons who are unable to function as a normal person. They have either physical or mental or sensory or intellectual problem. Following are constitutional provisions relating to them. Disabled are those who cannot function like a normal person. They have problem either in their body or in brain or in sensory system, or they have intellectual problem. And disabled cannot function like a normal person. In Indian Constitution, there are various fundamental rights which are related with disabled persons. What are these fundamental rights? Following are constitutional provisions relating to disabled. Number 1, the Constitution provides to citizens, including disabled, right to justice, right to thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and for the promotion of fraternity. The Constitution of India provides to all persons of India, including disabled. The Constitution of India provides all citizens of India, including disabled, various rights like right to justice. They have the right to demand for justice. Right to thought, they can think in their own way. Right to express, they can express their view. Right to believe, they can take off any faith. Worship, they have the freedom to worship in any way to anybody. Equality of status, they will be given equal status. And opportunity, they will be given equal opportunities like all. And for the promotion of fraternity, and they will be given equal freedoms. By this, all people will be equal in society, and there will be a feeling of fraternity or common brotherhood. Number 2, 15 clause 1, second fundamental rights is 15 clause 1 says that the state cannot make discrimination among citizens, including disabled, on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 15 clause 1 says that the state cannot make discrimination among citizens, including disabled, on the ground of caste, religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Number 3, 15 clause 2 says that state cannot discriminate citizens, including disabled, to use shops, public restaurants, hotels, and places of public entertainment, or use of wells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads, and places of public resort maintained wholly or partly out of state funds or dedicated for general public. Article 15 clause 2 says that the state cannot make discrimination among people, including disabled, to use public places, public parks, public restaurants, bathing ghats, wells, and anything which is maintained out of state funds or they are dedicated for general public. Fourth, Article 16 clause 1 says there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens, including disabled, in matter relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. Article 16 clause 1 says that there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens, including disabled, for employment which are made under the state. 5. Fifth fundamental rights which are related to disabled is no person including disabled can be treated as untouchables. It would be an offence punishable in accordance with the law as provided by Article 17 of the Constitution. Then Article 17 says that untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. No person including disabled can be treated as untouchable. Article 17 says no person including disabled cannot be considered as untouchable, and it would be an offence punishable in accordance with the law as provided by Article 17 of the Constitution. No person will be considered as untouchables, including disabled, if any person will carry out untouchability. It will be punishable according to law. Then the sixth fundamental right relating to disabled is that every person including disabled has his or her life guaranteed under the Article 21 of the Constitution. Every person including disabled having given power to protect his life. Every person in the country including disabled has been guaranteed his life. No person will be deprived from his life except by the procedure established by law which is mentioned in Article 21. All citizens of India have been guaranteed right to life. Every person can protect his life. No person will be deprived from his life. A person will be deprived from life by procedure of law. These are 6 important fundamental rights which are related to the disabled. Number 7, traffic in human beings, including disabled, beggar, other type of forced labor is prohibited, and same is made punishable under Article 23 of the Constitution. Article 23 of the Constitution says that traffic in human beings means labor, trade of human beings is prohibited. Beggar, other type of forced labor is prohibited, and any contravention of this will be punishable according to law. Traffic in human beings, including disabled, beggar, other type of forced labor is prohibited, and in same is made punishable under Article 23 of the Constitution. Traffic in human beings means trade of human beings, including disabled, is prohibited. beggar, any type of forced labor is prohibited, and any violation of it will be punishable. Its fundamental right relating to disabled is Article 24 prohibits employment of children, including disabled, below the age of 14 years to work in a factory or mine or to be engaged in any hazardous employment. Article 24 says that no child below the age of 14 years, including disabled, will be prohibited to be employed in any factory, mine or hazardous work. Even a private contractor working for the government cannot engage children below 14 years of age in such employment. Even a private contractor working for any government work cannot employ a child below the age of 14 years, including a disabled, in his work. Then 9 fundamental right is Article 25 guarantees freedom of religion to all children, including disabled. They can practice, propagate their religion subject to public order, morality and health. Article 25 says that freedom of religion to all children. Article 25 guaranteed freedom of religion to all children, including disabled. Article 25 says freedom of religion to all people, including children and disabled. They can practice, and Article 25 guarantees freedom of religion to all, not children, all citizens. CITIGENS. Article 25 guarantees freedom of religion to all citizens, including disabled. They can practice and propagate their religion subject to public order, morality and health. Article 25 says that right to religion is given to all citizens, including disabled. And all citizens of India, including disabled, can practice, propagate the religion subject to public order, peace, morality, ethics, society and health. Then 10. No citizen, including disabled, can be compelled to pay any tax for propagation and maintenance of any particular religion or religious group. Then another fundamental right is that no citizen, including disabled, can be compelled to pay any tax for propagation and maintenance of any particular religion or religious group. No citizen of India, including disabled, can be compelled to pay any tax for the propagation and maintenance of any religion. 11. No citizen, including disabled, will be deprived from the right to preserve his language, script, culture to which he belongs. No citizen of India, including disabled, will be prevented to protect his language, culture, script to which he belongs. It means every citizen of India, including disabled, can protect his life, culture and script. 12. Every citizen, including disabled, can move to Supreme Court under Article 32 to enforce his fundamental rights. Another fundamental right is that all citizens of India, including disabled, have the right to move to Supreme Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights. 13. No citizen, including disabled, can be deprived from his property except by authority of law, though right to property is not a fundamental right. Any unauthorized deprivation of property can be challenged in the court. Another important fundamental right relating to disabled is that no citizen of India, including disabled, can be deprived from his property except by the procedure of law. And any unauthorized deprivation of property can be challenged in the court. No citizen of India can be deprived from his right to property. No citizen of India can be deprived from his property except by the procedure of law, though it is not a fundamental right. And if there will be any unauthorized deprivation of property of any person, he can challenge in the court. Finally, 14. Every citizen, including disabled, after attaining 18 years of age, become eligible for inclusion his or her name in the electoral roll for the territorial constituency to which he or she belongs. Another important fundamental right relating to disabled is that all citizens of India, including disabled, have the right to enroll his name or her name in the general electoral roll of a constituency to which he belongs immediately after attaining the age of 18 years. So, this video relates with the fundamental rights related to disabled. So, I request my viewers to subscribe the channel so benefit will be yours because new videos will come to you. And many students are not aware about this channel where many important videos are found. Make them aware. It will be an help. And helping a man is a symptom of a human being. Never forget. Thank you. Have a good day.